Okay, so welcome to the Zill Skill. I'm the educator for the day, right? I'm Ms. Dipali Vadia. You all know my name, right? You have to prepare your mind that experiment means failure also and the success also. So I know many of you are must be without material, with not the complete materials, right? But now today's session we have only 2 experiments. Okay, let me tell you first all the ingredients. What you have to be with the experiment thing. Wait, you have to get 3 glasses first, like this, right? Okay.
Okay.
Half filled of water. Also have to get the colors. What are the colors, right? We need only 2 colors. These colors also is absolutely fine, not a problem. Just need you to be ready with your materials first, and then only we can have a good start, right? Right? So let's begin. For first experiment, I want you to have 3 glasses of water, half filled, right? Few colors can be a poster colors, right? Okay, for second experiment, I need a foil paper. Everyone is having the foil paper. If not, no problem. I can fix it up with some other thing also. You can take only the single bone china plate. You have a bone china plate, right? Okay. And what else? I told you to get the marker with you. It can be of any color. It can be of blue color. It can be of black color. Keep everything ready, okay? I'm not going to give a chance to go and get it and grab it, the thing. Very good. Okay. It has to be a whiteboard marker. No, not the sketch pen. I don't know if sketch pen will work or not. Experiment. Yeah, whiteboard marker, Leviana, because the permanent marker will not going to do the success over here, right? And for that spider race, 1 glass of water. Okay? So let's get started. Yeah. First of all, I would love to tell you the properties of water, my dear kids, right? Because you should know. You are the learners where you should know the properties of water too, right? It's a good information. I'm telling you the properties of water also with the experiment. So it's good knowledge, right? So it takes the shape of that container where you are filling that water, right? Agar ye goal hai, it will take the circle shape, right? If I'll put in this, I'll put the water in the rectangle shape, it will take the rectangle shape, right? So it actually takes the, yes, it is not solid. But one more form of water is solid, liquid and gas. Don't forget that. What is the solid form? Ice is the solid form of water only, right? And as you can see, tell me the color of this water. Transparent, right? Okay, so let's make it colorful. We use water in bath. Okay, yes, about water. Without water, we don't have our life. We cannot think of our life. Exactly, true, right? Yes. So now what we have to do? We have to make it colorful, right? So let's take one color first, okay? So I have to tell you that the color mixing activity is primary color को mix करेंगे और secondary color बनाएंगे. What we will do? We will mix the primary colors and we will give a secondary color to the water. Come on. Let's take first yellow color. Okay, everyone. Check out yellow color. If you have the yellow colors, my dear kids, you can use brush, you can use straw, you can use ice cream sticks to mix the water, right? Okay. I've already put yellow color, right? Now what I have to do, I just have to mix it. Okay. So as you can see, it's getting more yellow, right? Okay. Now I'm going to take blue color, okay? And I will be putting this in some other one, right? In some other one. Okay. Now tell me how you can make it this different color. If I wanted to make this orange, yellow color mein what I will mix? Tell me.
We'll mix red.
We are experimenting and the color is changing. Look at this. Look at this. Now this is which color? Red. This is red. Now tell me if I wanted to make it purple. So I will be adding which color? Blue. Very good. So let's add blue color. Come on everyone. And let's see purple banta hai nahi banta. Let's see. Let's have a look, Shivangana. Let's see our experiment. What it will comes out to be. So yes, we have to add more of blue color. So you have to see the quantity of the colors also, sweethearts. Otherwise, it will not come out super well, right? And let's move for our next round. Okay. What is this? Okay. This is a white plate, right? A pure white plate. It has to be the bone china one. So what I'm doing, I have to go with my marker and I will be making something on this, right? Look at this. Make circles. Make circles. आगे पीछे, right? And थोड़ा सा sides and all. Okay. So now, what you all have to do? What you all have to do? Make the drawing and show me first. Make the drawing and show me first. Okay. So I have this. Okay. I'm putting the water in here. But because if I do like this now, my laptop will be wet. So I don't have a choice. So you have to show me yours first, right? So it is the thing. Okay. So start pouring water. Like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. Okay? So now just have a look. Okay, bye-bye. Take care. Have a nice day, sweetheart. Hey, Arko, you can do like this.
Yeah, Mom.
Yo, bye-bye. Have a nice